Hi, just doing a small video on the 330D M57. It's a 2008. It had no low-down power at all, was fine above 2000 revs. This is 330D, so a single electronic actuated turbo. So you would imagine that your vacuum system shouldn't matter if your turbo works or not, but it does. So mine had vacuum lines that looked perfectly fine, and this is your EGR pressure converter. These lines look totally fine, but when you fold them, they're all cracked, and they were leaking despite looking like they were perfectly good. So that's what you want. P-Berg EGR pressure converter. I've removed the swirl flaps on mine. You don't need this on because my diaphragm was leaking as well, losing me more vacuum pressure. And this is the switch for the swirl flaps. That I've left plugged in, but removed both the vacuum hoses in the car and blanked it from the little T-piece, which has the 4 rows of vacuum pieces in the car, and it works totally fine. That was about 33 quid on Amazon to replace, and it's, like I say, EGR pressure converter. And this is for, I had a random boost loss, would have big lag, it wouldn't respond. And yeah, changing them, change all your vacuum lines and it can solve it. That's the cheapest method. I changed my turbo and my DPF because I thought the turbo was worn and I thought the DPF was blocked, but really this is what was causing the problem. Hope this helps. So M57, check your vacuum lines and your pressure converter.